the difference in news and information. This is today's THV This Morning.
January National Glaucoma Month and awareness. The Research Foundation estimates that 2.7 million people in the U.S. over age 40 have the disease, also called the sneak thief of sight. Dr. Lydia Lane with Little Rock Eye Clinic is here to tell us more about what you can do and how to prevent it. Good morning to you, Lydia.
Good morning,
Thank you so much
Ashley.
for coming in. Talk about glaucoma, and it's very common among older people. What is it and how do we prevent it?
Glaucoma is basically an eye disease of the optic nerve, and what happens is the eye is an enclosed system. It's constantly making fluid inside the eye that's constantly being drained out of the eye to maintain a constant pressure in the eye. If for some reason that balance gets disturbed, the pressure builds up in the eye, and this causes damage to the little nerves in the eye that send signals to your brain that tell you what you're seeing. Over time, this causes you to lose vision, and it's usually very slow. It starts off to the side and then kind of squeezes in.
Are there any warning signs out there for people?
Unfortunately, for the most part, glaucoma does not have symptoms. You can't feel it. You can't tell that this is what's happening. People can lose up to 40% of their vision before they actually notice that they're not seeing in areas because it's so slow and off to the sides.
You say about 50% of people with it don't even realize that they have it. That's pretty eye-opening there.
The vast majority of people are actually diagnosed not knowing that there's something going on until very late in the disease.
Talk about treatment and what you go through with that.
There are several ways to treat glaucoma. There are different types of glaucoma, and the way you're treated will depend on the type of glaucoma you have. When you have an eye exam, there are tests that will be done to determine how much damage has occurred to the optic nerve, what your pressures are, and how to treat you. But for the most part, glaucoma is treated with eye drops in order to lower those pressures. There are also lasers that can be performed to help the eye drain that fluid off better. And in some cases where those modalities haven't worked, there's also surgeries.
Are there some people that are more at risk than others?
Age is probably the biggest risk factor. As we get older, we're more at risk for glaucoma. Over the age of 60 is usually when we start seeing glaucoma appear. Diabetes is a risk factor. If you have a family history of glaucoma or you've had eye trauma in the past, those are all risk factors.
The important thing here is the easier you catch it, the easier it is for you all to be able to treat it, correct?
The sooner it's picked up, the easier it is for us to treat it and maintain healthy vision. We can't go back and repair any damage that's occurred. So it's important to catch it early, and it's preventative at that point forward.
What's your recommendations as far as how often you should be getting your eyes checked, especially as you get older?
I think if you have a family history, you've had trauma, diabetes, you want to have an eye screening exam earlier, and then once a year or twice a year is recommended by your eye doctor. Certainly at the age of 60, you want to have an eye exam every 1 to 2 years up to 65, and then probably every year after that.
Some important information. Dr. Lydia Lane with Little Rock Eye Clinic, thank you so much for your time this morning. That information up on our website as well, today's THV.com.